In this video, I'll show you how to fix an HDMI port issue on your Samsung Smart TV. If your TV says no signal or doesn't detect your device, these methods should help. Let's begin. Method 1. Power cycle the TV. Turn off the TV and unplug it from the power outlet. Unplug all HDMI devices from the TV. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Plug the TV back in, reconnect your HDMI device, and turn everything back on. This clears temporary glitches from the TV's memory. Method 2. Try a different HDMI port. Most Samsung TVs have multiple HDMI ports. Switch your device to a different HDMI input and see if the TV detects it. Make sure to select the correct input source using the remote. Method 3. Replace or reseat the HDMI cable. Unplug the HDMI cable from both the TV and the device. Plug it back in firmly. Try using a different HDMI cable to rule out a faulty one. Method 4. Update Samsung TV firmware. Go to Settings, Support Software Update now. Make sure your TV is connected to Wi-Fi. After updating, restart the TV and check the HDMI input again. Method 5. Enable Input Signal Plus. Go to Settings, General External Device Manager, Input Signal Plus. Turn this on for the HDMI port you're using. This boosts compatibility with high-bandwidth devices like game consoles or 4K streamers. Bonus tip: factory reset if all else fails. Go to Settings, General Reset, Enter PIN. Default is 0000. Confirm. This will reset all settings including HDMI configurations. Thanks for watching. If this helped you fix the HDMI issue, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Samsung Smart TV fixes and tips.